Hi guys, so today I am playing with my friend and we're going to just play some creative or anything he wants. I don't care. But not arena. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, because I just readied up. You need to ready up first. I just forgot. Don't do any TikTok. Holy. Don't do any TikTok dances. Don't do any TikTok emails because then I'll get copyrighted. Oh shoot. I just put in the wrong map. By the way, how do you like my combo? Why do you always wear Clix's combo? It already shows that. Yeah, I've been practicing my triple edits. What is wrong with you? People, don't worry about that banging. Yeah, Okay, that really is what happens to you. Yo, chill. Deal? I just ratted you out with the deal. I didn't say 4 months. I said for as long as you can. But I'm not bringing it up on YouTube, man. True. But right now I could tell you what. I'm your mother. I adopted you. Sure, I'm so good. Okay, guys. I'm going to try to start a live stream. Bye.